Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is a gorgeous rose, open, single flower. It was a great name. This is a rose called For Your Eyes Only. It's peach to pink with lovely dark red centre, and they're open flowers. Bees and pollinators love these open flowers. They can work so much easier in them. But I think it's a stunning rose, lovely mixture of contrasts of colours. Flowers non-stop from June until October. Height roughly around 3 feet high, 90 centimetres high, and around the same across. They do very well in pots and containers or out in open ground. Now if you're going to plant them out in open ground, just dig a hole twice the depth of the pot, put a handful of that Super Thrive planting fertiliser at the bottom, as well compost and soil on top, and the same back and around, and of course feed regularly with Flower Max to make sure to keep throwing up lots and lots of flowers like this. So June until October flowering. This fella's just starting off a little earlier now, and we'll keep going right through until October. Of course, keep deadheading, keep encouraging them to throw up lots more flowers. Wasn't it just only a beauty? So that's a rose called For Your Eyes Only, can be planted from now. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.